Alright, now we're going to create a pageant, so we can do that by clicking on this button, or under the director drop down we can click create pageant. So first thing that we're going to notice is it's going to tell us that we need to create at least one of each of these age breakdowns, judging criterias, and supreme breakdowns. Sorry, actually not supreme breakdowns. We do not have to have those, just the age breakdowns and the judging criteria. So another thing, if another way to get to this page would be under the drop down, My Components. So we're going to do that. We're going to create an age breakdown, and we're going to call this We. And one of the tricky things, or sort of different things currently with Perfect Pageant, is the age categories are in years. So we're going to go from 0 to 3 years and 11 months. So the way that we'll break this age group down is we'll go 0 to 4. So this is basically saying once you're 4 years old, you're no longer in this age group. So effectively, this is 0 to 3 years and 11 months. So female is the gender, not a unique group, and we will save. I'm going to go ahead and create another one. I'm going to create Miss, and I know this is just for demonstration only, but we will go from 4 to 99 just to show. And, okay. So we see here in our age breakdowns, we should start at 0 and we should have no gaps. Like the next age group should be a max age of 4 and the next one be a mid age of 4. Now something to note here is once we create these, we can reuse these across multiple pageants. So if for different pageants I want to have different We breakdowns, we can do that. We can create another We breakdown that is 0 to 3. So whenever we go to create the pageant, you'll see we can use one or the other of these We's. So for now, I'm going to delete this 0 to 3 one. And now for judging criteria, we want to create judging criteria. We'll call this dress. Going to have a max score of 10. And description is going to be okay. So there we have dress, and we'll create one more, and we will do stage presence and max score of 10. And for the description, we won't put a description here, it's optional, but this is where we can spell out exactly what this is being judged on. Okay. I will go ahead for the sake of demonstration. Optionals and supreme breakdowns are just that, they're optional. So I will go ahead and create an optional test here, and we'll create a supreme breakdown, and we'll call this is going to be We, and this is also going to be from 0 to 3. So you can see, oh, sorry, it's going to be 0 to 4. So you can see how we can have multiple We categories. We can have 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, but then have one supreme breakdown of 0 to 4, and we'll see how that is judged later on. So it's telling me that we need to create placements for We, so we'll go ahead and do that. So say grand, and we will say mini, and we'll just do those two for now. So we'll save placements, and we can go ahead and save this age breakdown. Same thing on age breakdowns. We need to go back to them and create placements as well. So we'll say first, or actually, sorry, we should say queen first, and we will say princess, which is second. Save those placements. And same thing for miss. Miss, we'll just do a queen. Okay, so now that we have those, we will go ahead and come back to My Pageants, and we'll create that pageant again. So I'm going to call this pageant demo, and for the date, we're going to do, we're going to say that the pageant is taking place on December 31st. We're going to be judging on dress and stage presence. We will have the optional of best hair. We will have age breakdowns of we and Miss, and supreme breakdown of we as well. So on the cutoff dates here, the registration cutoff date, that is when we have to register by. So we'll say that you can register by December 24th. And the age category cutoff date, we'll say, is the day of the pageant. So it is going to be what age they are on December the 31st. So this is how the system is going to calculate how to automatically put contestants in their age breakdowns. We'll save that. So it says that there's already a demo pageant set for this day. So this is on another account. Um, so we will actually we're going to call this demo pageant dupe, and we'll save. All right, so we have that set up, and we are now ready to get some contestants into this pageant.